Alright everyone, in today's video I want to show you another way to unlock the pattern lock screen, and this time I'm going to teach you how to unlock, format and restore the password or PIN on your Samsung A23. Remove your SIM card and your memory card, because this process will erase everything stored on the device. In some cases you'll need to connect a USB cable to be able to enter recovery mode, okay? So whichever method works for you, leave it in the comments to help other people as well. You can leave it on this emergency screen, this screen here, or you can leave it on the screen where the pattern lock is, or on the emergency screen to do the unlocking, and that's where we're going to leave it. You're going to press the volume down button and the power button at the same time. When it restarts, release the volume down button, press the volume up button, and when the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button, but keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I'll show you here to make it easier for you to follow along. In a moment I'll talk about the Google account, okay? So let's go. On this screen, hold down the volume down and power buttons until the device restarts. Keep holding. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, release the volume down button and press the volume up button. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button. Keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I'd like to ask you to subscribe. Also leave your like, it really helps us out, okay? When it enters recovery mode, I'll give you another tip right here, okay? Let's wait. If your first attempt doesn't work, just repeat the same procedure using the cable if necessary. On this screen, guys, as I mentioned, I want to give you a tip that this procedure will also work for other Samsung models, okay? In a moment, we'll talk about the Google account, but for now, let's remove this one. You're going to scroll down by pressing the volume down button until the fifth option where it says wipe data factory reset and confirm with the power button. On this next screen, scroll down with the volume down button and confirm again with the power button. Let's wait for this process to finish so we can continue with our unlocking. Just a few more seconds. When you get to this screen, just confirm and your device will start unlocking. You'll see, it will restart and the screen lock password will be gone. And what about the Google account? If you don't know the email or the password, you'll need to unlock it, and we can do this unlocking procedure remotely, so you don't have to worry about anything else. You just need to have a computer, a USB cable, and the OneKey Dask app that we use to perform the remote unlocking. Our number will be in the description or in the channel description, okay? We handle the entire unlocking process and all the configuration for you. All you'll need to do is connect your phone to the computer. Alright, if this video helped you and if you're able, please consider making a contribution to our channel. Our Pix key will be in the video description and any amount is appreciated. That was today's video. Thanks, take care.